The Best Project Material Co. Ltd is the leading geomembrane manufacturer, supplier, wholesaler, and exporter. Our main innovative products include Smooth Gemomembrane HDPE Liner, Textured HDPE Geomembrane, Composite Geomembrane Liner, and other geosynthetics, etc. All of them had been certificated by the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, Soncap, SASO and BV certificates and passed SGS and Intertek test. BPM had provided many types of effective and state-of-the-art geomembranes, other geosynthetics to over 36 countries. Our main customers are from Australia, France, Sweden, UK, Hong Kong, Hungary, New Zealand, Poland, Mexico, Ecuador, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Philippines, Sri Lanka, India, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kenya, Ghana, Ethiopia, Somalia, Nigeria, South Africa, Swaziland, Mongolia, etc.